Right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you were brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time I drop a brand new video around here, and me, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below, and it'll do just that. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these videos. Now, I know you're like, damn man, that tea is fresh. I know, 8 and 9, if you're not familiar with them, their links are in the description down below. They take care of me. I also did a video of an unboxing. You can check that video out just by clicking the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that. But come back here because you are not gonna wanna miss what we got in store for you today. Today, we got the Air Jordan 1. And it is unreleased. It didn't come out yet. It comes out in a few weeks. But it's the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. These things are sweet, man. I got them from GOAT. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not sitting here lying to nobody. I bought them off of GOAT. They were at a phenomenal price, so I said, you know what? Let me get them. Boom. Because honestly, I feel more comfortable going through them. I'm not gonna sit here and say my guys like Trollmageddon, all these other, they got, you know, other connects where they get UAs. They look exactly, basically what I got from GOAT, basically the same thing. But like I said, I didn't pay an arm and a leg, and it is what it is. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. Now I believe these retail for the price of $140 too. If I'm not mistaken, they come out at the end of July. Alright guys, but without further ado, let's jump into today's review. Alright guys, you know how we do it over here. Starting off with the outsole, typical Air Jordan 1 outsole. As you can see, it's in all red. Same sole, same, you know, nothing special. But now, checking out the toe box material, it's actually pretty nice. The leather is actually pretty nice on the actual whole sneaker. The only thing that, well, I like it. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I seen another guy who mentioned it, that the red, you know, the material on the back heel, as you can see, we also have the Jordan 1 Wings logo, which is just fire. Just take a look at that. Boom. Very dope. Also guys, this does come with a extra pair of laces, so if you want to take the red out, because it comes with the red stock, they got a black pair of laces here. Now you know me, I'm a stock lace kind of guy, so I am gonna stick with the stock laces. But I did notice one thing. We got a black tongue with the Nike Air in red. Now I seen some guy, you know, wrote on my video, it's a black tongue, it's a drop for me. And I just started to realize that the highs has a white tongue. But I don't know, it kind of looks, I think it looks better with the black, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway guys, the material on the sneaker, really, really good. The midfoot here, the leather quality is decent, man. Like I said, I've seen better, I've seen worse, but this is really, really not bad, man. Also, we got some Nike Air branding, as you can see right there. On the insole, the heel of the insole, we have an all white insole with a black Nike Air branding. Guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because we do have an on foot for you. We're going to lace these bad boys up and we're going to show you basically how they look with, you know, I rock these 8 and 9 pants. They got these swooshy pants. I love them, man. Very, very dope. But as for taking a look at the inside of the shoe, basically what's going on the inside is going on the outside. Basically, it's just a replica of what's going on the outside. Overall, the shoe is dope. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys plan on picking these up. I love to hear your thoughts, your opinions. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.